Good morning, my friends. Today we're gonna fold this super cool and easy boomerang paper plane. This paper plane really comes back like a boomerang. Grab a for size paper, pen and ruler, and let's start folding. One point to 5-inch. And do the same on the other side.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want
25-inch.
to know. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy.
From this line,
It's getting hard to
75-inch.
talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa.
Now our boomerang paper plane is done. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.